So somehow before Christmas, but yet.
He doesn't look like a baby.
Do it again, Jake.
Hi guys. That's not good.
Do it again, Jake.
That's not good. Who's that?
Technically, I think we're talking baby Jesus here. Oh, Joseph, Daddy. Oh, I think this is Joseph, actually. Sorry. Yeah, Mary. I don't know who that's the priest. That's a wise man. Oh, no, these are the three wise men. What? Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Word. My homie. Yo, you think you're cool too? And I'll think
Charlotte. Look over here, Char. Into the light. I can't see you. Okay, 1 minute's almost up.
I'm riding a camel.
No.